If you're watching this, chances are you want to stay and work in the UK longer, but the visa rules feel complicated. Maybe you've heard of sponsoring yourself, right? But you're thinking that, is it real? Is it even possible? Today, I'm going to guide you through what you absolutely need to know before taking this step, straight from the UK Home Office website and trusted sources. Then after, I will share a real-life success story of someone who made it happen, so stay tuned. Self-sponsoring in the UK means starting a company that holds a sponsor license, allowing you to employ yourself on a skilled worker visa. This route is not officially branded as self-sponsorship by the Home Office. Instead, it's a practical approach that some visa holders take to switch from a graduate or other temporary visa to a skilled worker visa by becoming their own employer. According to the official UK government guidance, only companies with a sponsored license can issue a certificate of sponsorship (COS), which is required for the skilled worker visa. Sponsored licenses are granted to companies who meet strict criteria: genuine businesses, operations, compliance with immigration rules, and ability to monitor sponsored employees. A company must have a UK presence, a registered office, bank account, insurance, and staff to qualify. The Home Office expects businesses to actively trade and operate. It's not enough to register a company and do nothing. Every sponsor must have a designated authorizing officer, a person who is responsible for sponsorship compliance. This AO must be a British citizen or have indefinite leave to remain. Myth 1. People say you need a large company or lot of employees, but the reality is that you can start small, even a sole director company, as long as you can prove genuine business activity. Myth 2. You need tens of thousands of pounds to start. The reality is that funds should be relevant to your business plan. Some sectors require more capitals, others like service-based businesses may need less. Okay, so if you are going into restaurants, obviously your funds might be different from someone who's going into yoga. Do you understand? Myth 3. It's an easy loophole to get a visa. The reality is that the Home Office carefully monitors sponsors. If your business isn't real, you risk losing your visa and future bans. To apply, you must prepare the following things, okay? Screenshot this or you list it out, okay? A registered company with Companies House. A business bank account with a high street bank, not online bank, okay? Like Metro Bank, Barclays, HSBC Bank, okay? You must have an employer liability insurance, usually around 5 million cover, okay? Then a proof of a genuine business plan aligned with your skills. A registered UK business address. You can use your home address if you seek permission from your landlord, okay? A British national or settled person as an authorizing officer. Records to prove compliances like payroll, contract, and employee monitoring. So after getting sponsored license, what is the next thing you do? Once approved, the company can issue a certificate of sponsorship to employ people, including yourself. You then apply for the skilled worker visa, meeting salary threshold, skill codes, and English language requirements, okay? So now what you must avoid is that don't pay large sums to unverified agents or consultants. Don't register a company just for the visa without genuine business activity. Avoid fake partnerships or front companies. The Home Office checks this closely. Keep all documentations transparent and compliant. You may be audited. So now this is a real success story of one woman that did it, okay? Now that you understand what the UK government expects, let's hear how someone turns into reality. This woman transformed a graduate visa into a skilled worker visa by sponsoring herself through her own company. She started with a clear goal: avoid paying thousands to agents or falling into scams. Her steps were very simple but deliberate. She registered a company aligned with her expertise, yoga, called Yoga Care Limited. Okay, so she now used an accountant's help for company registration and opened a business bank account at Metro Bank. She transferred £15,000 savings into the company account, enough to show genuine business activity. Okay, and she also then secured employer liability insurance. She also registered the company address at her home with her landlord's permission. She now invited a British friend to become the authorizing officer. This is very necessary, okay? It's very, very necessary, okay? She worked with an affordable, trusted agency called Work Permit Cloud to apply for the sponsored license. After getting the license, she received a certificate of sponsorship. She then applied herself for the skilled worker visa using her UK degree as proof of English language skills and applying under the lifestyle consultant skill code. Remember, she's into yoga, so that actually means that she's under the lifestyle consultant skill code, okay? Because she's been living and working in the UK for over 2 years, she didn't need to show additional funds for her dependents, okay? So she was able to share her timeline with me, okay? Our company registered was in November 2023. Then she opened a bank account December 2023. Then a sponsored license was granted January 2024. Then a skilled worker visa was approved March 2024. Today, she runs her own business legally, sponsors herself, pays taxes, and is building a future on her own terms. Okay? So if you are feeling overwhelmed or stuck, remember this part isn't easy, but it's possible with the right knowledge and support. Start with a genuine business idea, get your documents ready, find trusted help, and keep learning every step of the way. Your future in the UK is in your hands. You can do this. So, besties, that's all you need to sponsor yourself in the UK. Plan, prepare, and start, okay? So if you want exclusive step-by-step guides, templates, live question and answer sections, and direct access to me, consider joining my YouTube membership, okay? Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Comment below your questions or your visa journey. I love hearing from you. I'll definitely see you in my next video. Until next time, Jesus loves you and I really do love you too. Bye for now.